Hi, this is Hannah, and I'll be walking you through how to mark an appointment as completed on the Salon platform. Let's get started. Let's walk through how to mark an appointment as completed. There are several ways to do this, so choose the one that works best for you. You can click the three-dot menu next to the appointment, select Edit, change the status to completed, and then make sure to click Update or Save so the changes are applied. If you're viewing the appointment details by its ID, you can also change the status right there. Another quick method is to use the status dropdown directly in the appointment list. Just select Completed. And here's another option. After finishing the service, you can click Add Sale, select the appointment, add it to the cart, proceed to payment, and once the payment is complete, the appointment will automatically be marked as completed. Whichever method you choose, once it's done, the status will appear in green, confirming the appointment is officially completed. And that's it. Whether you update it manually or let it auto-complete through payment, marking an appointment as completed is quick and ensures your records stay accurate and up to date.